Yo, crypto crew, welcome back to Zacchy Crypto Update, where we don't just talk about pumps, we dissect the charts and uncover the real potential. Today our spotlight is locked on Internet Computer ICP. It's been a bit of a sleeper lately, but things are starting to heat up, and we're going to break down exactly why this could be a major turning point. Let's get straight into it. Alright, so ICP has been quietly making moves and eagle-eyed analysts are starting to take notice. We saw a solid 8.81% jump in a single day, pushing it to the $6 mark. Now, while some other altcoins have already been enjoying some upward momentum, ICP has been a bit more patient, but that might just be its strength building up for something bigger. Crypto analyst Hala.ICP dropped a tweet that got the community buzzing. She pointed out that despite ICP lagging a bit, the chart is looking primed and beautiful. And get this, it's broken out of a key trend line and already retested it. For those of you who know your technicals, that's often a powerful sign of strength. So the big question is ICP gearing up for a significant surge, possibly even hitting that $10 target? Let's dive into the charts and see what's cooking. Let's pull up the ICP chart and you can see the story unfolding right before your eyes. We're looking at price action from early 2024 all the way to now, May 2025. The overall trend has been bearish, no doubt about it. ICP took a tumble from above $17 down below $6. But notice this pattern that started forming around mid-March 2025, a falling wedge. Now this is a classic reversal pattern. Think of it like a coiled spring. The price is making lower highs and lower lows, but the range is narrowing, indicating that selling pressure is weakening. The breakout we've seen recently from the upper boundary of this wedge is significant. And what's even more encouraging is the successful retest of that upper wedge boundary. This tells us that the previous resistance has now flipped into support. Buyers are stepping in at this level, confirming the strength of the breakout. This kind of price action often precedes a substantial move upwards. It's like the market is saying, okay, the downtrend is over, time for a change. Now that we've broken out, where could ICP be heading? Well, the $5 zone has been a crucial support level in recent months. We've seen it act as a strong floor multiple times, which helped build the foundation for this current rally. With $6 now being tested as support, the next major resistance we're looking at is around $6.50. If ICP can decisively push through that $6.50 barrier, historical price action suggests we could see a run towards the $7 to $8 range. These levels acted as resistance during previous rallies in the last year, including those peaks near $10 and $17. So, breaking above $6.50 would be a significant bullish signal, potentially opening the door to much higher prices. Although we can't see the exact volume figures on this particular chart, the price structure itself is painting a bullish picture. We're seeing a sequence of higher lows forming after the breakout. This is a classic sign of increasing buyer interest. Think about it. Each dip is being bought up at a higher price than the last, indicating growing conviction among investors. The consolidation we're currently seeing around these levels could also be a sign of accumulation before the next leg up. It's like the market is taking a breather, gathering strength before another push. Analysts will be closely watching for a strong move above that $6.50 resistance to confirm this continuation. Okay, so here's my take on this. The technical setup with the falling wedge breakout and successful retest is undeniably bullish. The fact that we're seeing higher lows suggests genuine buying pressure. Now, hitting $10 isn't going to be a straight shot. We'll likely see some volatility along the way. However, considering the historical price action of ICP and the potential for renewed interest in Layer 1 protocols, a move towards those previous resistance levels, including $10, is definitely within the realm of possibility. The market sentiment for altcoins seems to be shifting, and ICP, after this period of consolidation, could be ready to play catch-up in a big way. This isn't financial advice, just my interpretation of the current market dynamics and chart patterns. And let's not forget the human element here. That tweet from Hala.ICP definitely amplified the buzz around ICP. In this market, community sentiment can be a powerful catalyst. When you see analysts with a strong track record pointing out bullish setups and urging people to ignore the FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt, it can attract more eyes and more buyers. ICP has historically shown that it's capable of explosive moves after periods of consolidation. So, while the current rally might seem modest, the underlying chart structure suggests we could be on the cusp of something much more significant, especially if the volume starts to pick up on these breakouts. Now before you go all in on ICP, let's have a quick reality check. This is crypto, and volatility is the name of the game. Always remember to manage your risk. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Consider using stop-loss orders to protect your capital, and don't let emotions dictate your trading decisions. And here's the crucial part. I am not a financial advisor. This analysis is for informational and educational purposes only. Cryptocurrency investments are incredibly risky, and you could lose a significant portion of your money. Always do your own thorough research and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Alright, crypto fam, what are your thoughts on ICP? Are you seeing the same bullish signals on the charts? Let me know in the comments below. I'm always curious to hear your perspective. If you found this analysis insightful, smash that like button, subscribe to Zacchy Crypto Update for more deep dives, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next potential moonshot analysis. For more real-time updates, breaking news, and even some potential free airdrops, make sure you join our Telegram group. The link is waiting for you in the description below. It's a fantastic community to stay informed and connect with other crypto enthusiasts. Thanks for hanging out with me today on Zacchy Crypto Update. I truly appreciate your support, so make sure you're subscribed. Until then, trade smart, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next update.
We'll be right back.